Korean vegetable pancakes. They're simple and quick and absolutely fantastic. We're going to cut up some vegetables. We're going to make a little sauce. We're going to make a dish that is addictive. Welcome to the Amy Learns to Cook kitchen. Okay, for the dipping sauce. Now, you can make it however you want. Any dipping sauce you usually use, right? I just throw this together, and it's probably totally off from what a lot of people do, but hey, this is how I'm making it. I put a little shortcut in here. So I have some low sodium soy sauce, and I don't have a recipe for this. I just put it in there. So I'll write it up in the recipe with these 3 things, and you can do whatever you want in whatever amounts. Rice, wine, vinegar, a couple splashes, and some chili sauce, right? I know this is the ingredient that people is probably the most controversial with this. Some people put like chilies in there and then they put sugar. Well, you got it right here, right? And put it in there depending on how thick you want or how sweet you want it. That's your own taste. This whole sauce is your own taste. Some people put sesame seeds in there. I don't have any. So there's our sauce, a little sour, a little sweet, a little zingy, pretty salty. So just keep a note of that when you're seasoning your veggies. So let's do a little chopping. So it's time to cut the veggies. Here is we need like 2 cups of veggies. So we're going to start, I got my Sanzu knife here. This thing is pretty nice. I think it's the Santoku. We're going to cut up some onion here. Woo. Onion. And we want these kind of thin. If they're too thick, they're not going to cook. When they're thin, they're just the right, perfect. So I'm going to cut them pretty thin. And I'm just going to cut, boom, like that. Now we have thin onions that I didn't cut all the way. This onion's good. In this zucchini. So you can use cabbage, you can use corn. I see people using corn with this kind of thing. I'm just going to cut these like this. And then I'm going to cut the end off here so we can make little matchsticks, thin matchsticks. So I'm going to cut it this way. And then I'm going to take these like this, and I'm going to cut it this way, make little thin matchsticks. That's how they look. Very nice, huh? Mm-hmm. And we're going to do the same thing with the carrot. I got some baby carrots here. I'm just going to cut them this way, like that. And then I'll cut them this way. And I'm going to cut up some green onion or scallions. You can put some in there, or you can just put them on the top. That's the whites and the greens. So I'm going to put some of these in here, and I'm going to keep these for a topping. So let's make our pancake batter. Carrot is good, right? We have our bowl here. We're going to put our veggies in here. That onion is nice and strong. Toss it around just so we get an even coating on that. I got a couple eggs here. I'm just going to scramble them up a little bit so that it's easier to combine them in the bowl. Just give them a little break up. I'm going to pour those in there. We got some all-purpose flour. We have some cornstarch. We got some seasoning. You can use whatever seasoning you like. I'm not going to put a lot of salt in there because the sauce is salty from the soy sauce. I'm going to put a little granulated garlic in here. Season it however you like. So I'm just going to start working this in because I'm going to have to put a splash of water in here. Splash of water. I don't know how much because it's really going to depend on how much liquid is in your veggies. So I just take that and I start working this in. And what you're going to get is a really thick batter. Little tiny more bit of water. So that's how you want it. So just add water until you get like a really thick like batter on the vegetables. So let me go grab the pan. Okay, so I'm going to put some oil in here. So we can fry. Let that oil heat up. So we're just going to like pan fry these. Okay, so we're going to take spoonfuls of this. Ooh, sizzle, sizzle. And we're going to flatten it out. You can make these as little or as big as you want. Got a little crazy over here. Some people just put it in as one big pancake. Mine are not going to be like perfectly round. Is that going to be horrible for you, Boo?
I don't know.
So we're going to let these brown. Usually it takes about 5 minutes. Woo! Got a little too brown on that one.
You got a little brown.
No doubt. It's looking pretty good. I turned this thing is so slippery. I turned the heat down a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and take these out. A little bit more oil in there. I'll make them a little smaller. What do you think?
I don't know what fun is that.
You can make one big pan size
Yeah, and then you
and flip the bad boy.
Well, that's gonna be a thing. And then you gotta cut it up after that.
Yeah.
And then they don't fit the little dipping things.
These are so good. So good. And we'll go ahead and give these a flip. Flippity-doo-dah. Woo! Looking good. Okay, these are looking nice and toasty here.
Yeah.
Looking good, looking good, looking good. Woo! So we're gonna go ahead and take these out. Ooh.
Oh.
Ooh. Yeah. These look really good. Oh, look at that. I think it's time to plate them up. Okay, I think we're ready for a treat, right? They smell amazing. They taste amazing. I know they do. Because I eat these all the time. Woohoo! Give Eric 2. With a little fork.
Thank you.
You ready for them, boo?
Sure.
Okay, let me get one of these babies. You can put a little extra green onion. I forgot to put that for Eric's. How is it, boo-boo?
Cut it so it fits into my little dipping.
Yeah. Gotta cut it so you can get a little dipping sauce on it.
But the wait is well worth it. Pretty tasty.
Tasty, tasty, tasty.
All right. Is this a boy howdy banger?
This is definitely a banger. And your kids won't even know they're eating all these veggies.
There you go.
So good. If you have veggies left over, a lot of people put cabbage in it. You can put corn in it.
Just remember, anytime you got a grumpy boo, batter it, fry it, it'll work.
Absolutely fantastic. This will be up on my website, the recipe, AmyLearnsToCook.com. I hope you enjoy this Korean vegetable pancakes. These are delicious. Thanks for joining me.